Doug Ford is costing taxpayers $1 billion to get booze into corner stores earlier. Because according to this analysis by the Ontario Liberal Party, the $225 million is just the tip of the iceberg. Because that doesn't even include the rebate of LCBO fees, which is $375 million, as was reported on by the Toronto Star. Then there's $150 million for wholesale discounts, which is based on the assumption that grocery sales will only get to 10% of LCBO net revenue, with the LCBO grossing $7.4 billion last year. 10% of that $7.4 billion is $741 million. And the volume discount on those sales would be $74 million annually, which will cost us $150 million over 2 years, because 2026 is the next time that we can renegotiate that. And lastly, Doug Ford is leaving money on the table because he's not charging these private businesses licensing fees. That means that American companies like Walmart and billionaire-owned companies like Loblaws are going to get this for free. Whereas, for example, the Conservative government in Saskatchewan made $45 million on just 35 licenses, charging upwards of $450,000 per permit. If Ontario was to follow a similar model, we would net $300 million. And these are low-level estimates, as it only includes 4,500 locations and the government is expecting 8,500. And none of this includes the lost revenue at the LCBO, which goes towards paying for our healthcare and education. This also doesn't account for any further concessions not yet known to the public, and knowing Doug Ford, there's going to be something else. So Doug Ford is costing taxpayers $1 billion just to get booze into corner stores a little bit earlier. Doug Ford is incapable of governing. He doesn't know how to run a business, and he doesn't know how to run this province.